Hey cookers! So I'm going to share probably one of the most fun ways to cook eggs. In fact, it's Karen's favorite way to eat eggs, and they're shipwrecked eggs. We're cooking with Jill. Welcome to my kitchen. So all the other recipes or tutorials that I've done on cooking eggs always talked about the importance of having a cold egg. Well, with shipwrecked eggs, it doesn't really matter, cold or hot. But you do want your skillet to be thoroughly hot. I've got this set at 265. Most of my other cooks were done at 240, 250. So you want a hotter skillet. If I was doing this on the stove back here, I'd do this at 4.5 to 5, maybe even 5.5. But you also want a heavy skillet, like a well-seasoned cast iron skillet, or one of these Ninja NeverStick pans. These Ninja NeverStick pans have got a heavy steel bottom on them. And the advantage of that is that when you put your food in the skillet, the temperature doesn't drop and your food tends to cook a little more evenly. Ninja also says to always preheat your skillet before you put your food in it because it helps prevent them from sticking. So you need some sort of fat. My preferred fat is bacon grease. I'm not cooking bacon today. This is avocado oil. Avocado oil is nice because it handles the heat well, has a very mild flavor. Olive oil you could use, but you've got that rich olive oil flavor. I like butter, but butter tends to brown pretty quickly. Doesn't make a good presentation on camera, but I like browned butter, so I would often cook these eggs with butter. So there's another way to look at shipwrecked eggs. What are they? Basically, they're just scrambled in the skillet. A little more to it than that, but I'll show you. I'm going to put this egg in here. And instead of just scrambling right away, you want it to cook just a little bit. Now, the first time I heard about a shipwrecked egg, I went, what in the world is that? And my boss, Gerard, came up and showed me. So you want this egg just to cook just a little bit like that first. And then break it up and almost scramble it, but you really do want to see your egg white and your egg yolk to not be completely melded together like a scrambled egg. So this is doing well here. And then you just turn it and flip it and scramble it a little bit. And then you have to decide, do you want these soft or do you want them hard? And that's really about it. Let me give these a flip here. See? So that is a shipwrecked egg right there. Let me plate them up. So you could see here where the whites and the yellows and the yolks here aren't completely mixed together, but they call them shipwrecked eggs. So if you want to share this with somebody and say, hey, I know what a shipwrecked egg is, share this video with somebody. I had never heard of them before, and I'm sure a lot of people there haven't. So y'all have fun.